Welcome back to another video, guys. Today this video is going to be about Alicia's car. She's literally pulling in right now, but basically her kit finally came in, so in this video she's going to be unboxing it and potential test fit, which is going to be pretty nice. So she just brought us some dinner. We're going to eat right now, and once we're done there, she will get to unboxing and we'll see how that thing looks on there. Say hi to the video.
It's pop.
I don't know, just start going crazy.
Oh, wow. Okay.
It's nicely wrapped.
That's what I'm saying.
Whatever.
When it got dropped off to my house, it
Oh,
just
yeah.
looked like a...
Stamped by
It's like the alphabet and the serial
This shit
number.
came on a boat.
Wow. Okay, packaging looks pretty fair. Yeah, it's clean. I'll take that.
Nah, it's valid.
Just wait. Gets blocked.
I was like, I'll give you a pass if you're
Oh, I thought this was the bumper. I'm like, damn, this fiberglass looks rough.
A Jeep.
It's foam. There we go. Alright, taking the jaws off. Come here and put a slit on this from top to bottom.
Here?
Yeah.
Perfect timing. I didn't wash the lips.
I know, right?
The bumper was $600 shipping included from our shop.
$650.
$650. Yeah, it's very reasonable. What if we sent you the wrong bumper? I'm kidding. Don't have a heart attack.
Don't do that. I'd cry.
I gotta do like the fucking Rocky song to reveal this shit. Oh yeah, I'm gonna edit that bitch in. All right, carry it. I'm gonna stand right here so you do a reveal. Cue the song.
He said you this.
Yours is crazy. I
Oh,
want
that
to
looks
see.
nice. Damn, this shit is legit. A little curve right here. This little grill fell in shipping. Expected. This thing's actually pretty fucking nice, huh? Now we gotta test it on the car.
Better than my version.
This looks good. You gotta bring your car out. You know what I like about this bumper, if you didn't notice? The bumper is like grilled in one. No IS bumper has this.
Oh,
It's like a grill all in one. It's pretty nice though, for the price too. Yeah. You gotta force that bitch.
This blade is terrible.
See the rust on it?
Yeah, it's not even moving. Oh my god, this blade felt freaking
I'm gonna do this. This is how I do it. Like, don't get them Alibaba blades. Scissors?
Mm-hmm.
Why don't we have blades in this shop?
That was like the best.
there's nobody over there, so like you don't.
No, there was a lot of people. There was definitely a lot of people.
Oh, like the one time one.
He said he wanted to do it. I was like, fuck it. You want to do it?
Say goodbye to your fog lights.
Aw.
Fuck with the gloves. See the gloves?
Thanks.
I've been thinking about that.
Just twist the bulb on. You
I
got it.
did.
I got a spare bumper in. Alright, here we go. Test fit. I'm gonna set this up. Ready? Let's get some 2x4s. shit is fucking fire. Damn. Don't fall now. It looks pretty damn good. Damn. It's that shot right here. Poof. You need the skirts on. Oh, I didn't even mention that yet. These are the skirts too. You got some fresh skirts.
Well, semi-fresh.
Semi-fresh, but it's all good. They still look fresh. Doing a little paint job and body work can do.
Give it in a minute.
Let's see that now. Oh yeah. She definitely did something for it. Here, I got you. Oof. This looks good. What do you say? Take this bumper off real quick and prime it? Just so we see it all one color. Just for the test fit purposes.
Yeah, good idea.
Completely forgot to film putting it on, but that was quick. Definitely all looks in one piece now. I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod so we can start drilling some holes here.
Wow. Yeah. This side is like. It's like even.
Pull it out, bring it over there.
See, that's one of those moments where you're like, oh Lord, oh Lord. Oh yeah.
What do y'all give it? 2 weeks? 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
No, don't move. God damn.
Go, you can go quicker. Cut it all the
Just
way.
walk her.
All the way.
It's good now, it's good now.
Alright, stop. Stop.
Oh! Mírame.
Shitting my pants in here.
Yeah, we're gonna have to carry this bitch. That's how hard I gripped it. I fucking. All right, Brent, keep following me. I'm walking the dog.
Hey, 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 hey.
Hiya, Maria.
Alright, go.
No, you good, keep going.
You can't even let this bitch go. You need 18s in the front.
Motherfuck.
Okay.
Yeah, hot boy.
I like that. Keep going. He's fine now. The shit is on the floor.
Perfect.
Car.
You're good. I'm trying to take a video. Keep going. What the fuck? All right, you're good. You need to throw the 18s in front. Higher on these and those are 205s.
It might be for the better right now. You know what I'm saying?
Clearance.
That's money.
You want to get the silver spray paint?
These are yours too?
What, these?
XT7s are his. T7Rs are mine. I need to
These are the ones I rocked for like 3 years fucking straight.
I was looking for 17s, but I don't know now. I have to rethink that.
It's kind of puff. Watch the pain, bro.
Shut the fuck up. Oh shit, my bad. No.
Skirt, we might be fine. Damn, that shit fitted up in the front now.
Now you know you need a little plus 30. Or you can run a
word.
8 mil slip on. So we had to throw a little 18 in the front. It was a little too low, but it's looking real nice. This is very good. This is what I wanted to do, but my fenders didn't allow it. Damn. XT7s, T7Rs. So now let's switch these puppies to some 18s. All right, before the sun goes down, here's the 18s all around. Except the black housing headlights, mine are chrome. This shit looks phenomenal. 18 all around. I know, that's what I told her 2 months in. Oh my God, this angle right here. Trying to figure out these settings at night. Sorry for this low quality, but yeah, bring it over here. I think it's not even nearly as bright as it seems here. I think the camera's trying to give some brightness to it because it's really dark out here. Turn your lights on so I can see the floor. I lied, turn them off. I can't see the floor now. All right, that's gonna be it for this video. As always, I never record an outro when it comes to it, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know, as always, what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see anything different or anything specific, just ask. And appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.